Hello my dear students, hope you all are well and you are studying well at home. Okay, today I am going to discuss about chapter number 6 and from your second term syllabus, and the name of this chapter is Community Helpers. So in our previous chapter we have learned what is a community and who are community helpers. And in this chapter, today in this chapter, we are going to learn about how the people or the community helper help us in our daily life. So let's start our chapter. First one, who am I? A picture is given here. I treat you when you were sick. Who treats us when we are sick? Obviously, it's a doctor. Next one, I deliver your letters. Who delivers letters? Postman. Next one, I take care of your garden, and it gardener. So these three person, doctor, postman, gardener, they are our community helpers and they help us in different way. Now what is a community? In our previous chapter we have learned that community is like a big family. So a community is a group of people who do different kinds of works and help each other. That means a community is a group of people and different people do different job and all are important for us and important for our society. Okay. Now who are community helpers? Community helpers are those who help us in our daily lives. Or the people, community helpers are the people who help a community by doing useful activities like teacher, doctor, policeman, grocer, plumber, electrician, cobbler, etc. etc. Okay, there are so many person. So many people lives around us and they help us in different way. Okay, all the people who work for us and they also help us. Okay, they work hard to make our life easy. They do different kind of work. A community help us assist us in the time of our emergency, such as a policeman, a fireman, and a doctor also. They help us in our emergency situation. So now let us study about them. There are so many community helpers I have told you, and now let us study about them. Teacher. First one, teacher. You all know that a teacher teaches us and a teacher helps us in our studies. And teacher also teaches us about good manners and discipline also. And teachers work at a school. A teacher teaches at a school. Next one, doctor. Doctor is also an important part of our society and an important community helper. When we fall sick, we will go to doctor. A doctor is a person who treats us when we fall sick. He or she gives us medicine to cure us. A nurse helps a doctor with his or her work, and nurse is also a community helper. Okay, and nurse helps a doctor. Nurse is also a community helper, and you all know that doctor use stethoscope like this. You have seen a stethoscope? Doctor use stethoscope. Next one, policeman. Policeman is a very important part of our society. Policeman catches thieves and keep our city safe. The policemen they can also stop crime of our society. He works at a police station. Look, if we lost something, we can go to police station and make a complaint at police station, and policemen help us to find out these things. So policeman is also very important part of our life. Grocer. Now next one is grocer. So we all need different So we all need so many things in our day-to-day life, like rice, sugar, pulses, biscuits, milk, bread. So many things we all need in our day-to-day life or our daily life, and a grocer provides us these things. A grocer provides us with item of our daily uses or daily use. So grocer is also an important community helper. Now other community helpers, they are electrician, cobbler, carpenter, plumber, fireman, barber, etc. First one, electrician. An electrician repairs electrical wire. He makes sure that fans and lights in our house are working properly. That means if we have any electrical problem, we call an electrician. Okay, and they come and solve this out or help us. They come and help us. Then cobbler. Cobbler mends our shoes and polishes them. Next one, carpenter. You have seen many furniture at your home, like chair, table, bed, sofa, almirah, etc. And these are made by a carpenter. A carpenter makes different things from wood. Carpenter makes different things from wood, such as table, chair, doors, sofas, etc. Look at this picture. This is electrician, this one cobbler, this one carpenter. Now plumber. Plumber repairs leaking pipe and taps. Fireman put out accidental fires and save our life. Fireman is very important because it saves our life by putting out fire. Fireman is also known as a firefighter. Another one is barber. By barber cuts our hair. We all go to parlor or salon for cutting our hair, and barber cuts our hair. So here we find so many persons: electrician, cobbler, carpenter, plumber, fireman, barber, and they help us in different way. Okay, all of them are important for us. All of these persons are important for us or important for our society. Okay, they help us in like this way. So here in this chapter we learned about different community helpers and their works also. Okay, like doctor, teacher, policeman, grocer, electrician, cobbler, we all learn about them in this chapter. Hope you have understood this chapter. You all have understood this chapter. That's all for today. Study hard at home. Thank you.